Hi everyone, hope you are good wherever you are watching us from. So we are making this beautiful top. So it's going to have trumpet sleeve on it. You can also call it bell sleeve. It's a flare top. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload beautiful videos like this, you get notified. You can share this video with your friends. Give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend our channel, our videos to more people to watch. So watch this video to the end and I'll see you at the end of the video.
Welcome back. We are making this top. Is a triangle top that we are using it to make, and it will have a trumpet sleeve. So this is the fabric that we also use for the sleeve. So let's get started with the top first. So what I will do now is for us to mark. That is, I'm marking this 7. While I'm doing that, I want to start from this place to get my length. So this is the length. So from here now we'll start with the measurement. Let me see the length first. Yes, the length is 20. That is the length of this our top. So the shoulder is 14. This is the 14 mark. So that is the shoulder. The neck, I'm marking 3. That is the neck. And we'll open it at the back side so that we can be able to wear it, because we are not adding a zipper allowance. No, we are not adding that. So we are cutting it all together, the front and the back. That is what I've folded on this material. So that is the neck. 3 is what we mark there. And the shoulder is 7. So that is the shoulder. So to bring it to the armhole side, I'm marking 6.5. So on this side, that is where we'll get our body measurement for the bust. Our bust is 32. So I'm marking 8. When you divide your 32 on your measurement, you have 8 on your tape rule. So that is the bust measurement. So what we'll just do, since it's a free top, we just end it here. I will curve it. That is the armhole now. So this is my armhole now that I've curved. And this is my shoulder side that I've slant with ½ inch. And my neck, that is the down side of it, I'm bringing it down with 4. It will come down a little. So let me bring it with V. UV is what I'm giving it at the neck. So that is the neck. So let me also mark to get our back, because I will cut it first on this round side of it to get the back. This is the actual front side of it now. So we're done with it. So we just cut it out, because looking at it, it already have that vish and that triangle flare. So this is the triangle flare. So I will just cut it out now. So what I will do, I will start from the neck. I'm cutting the neck. So that is the neck side. The armhole you slant. So we've gotten it. So you come to the shoulder side. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So can you see how it is now? It has come out. So let me just give it that little curve again at that down side. So can you see how it is? So that is the neck of the back. So what I will do, I will just pull it out so that we'll cut our front side of the neck. So this is the front side now that I'm to cut. You know I've chalked it already, so that is it. So let me cut it out. So that is the neck, the front. So we've cut it. So you can see how it is now. Let me open it for you to see. Very easy, very simple. So can you see how it is now? So you got this. Let me open the back side of it, because it to have a zip tie the back. So what I'm marking there to bring it down is, let me use my tape rule. So I'm marking 4. So let me open it. Let me open it for you to see. So this is the opening I'm doing there now. So this is how you do your own. So what you just do, use your bias to tape the neck and join it. So what we'll do, go and join it with the shoulder. From the shoulder, you join the body. So this is the material now that we want to use to cut our sleeve. And remember, it's trumpet sleeve that we're cutting. So I'm marking the length. To get the length, I marked 21. So on that line now, that's where we'll get our armhole. So I will give it like this. Can you see what I'm doing for the armhole side? So this is how you cut it. So gotten it, 3 that I just bring is much. Let me bring it to 2.5. So that is 2.5 there. From there, you just take it. So to get the round of it, what did I have there is 12. So everything that we have here that will make it to get that trumpet sleeve is 12. So what I will do, I'm cutting from the shoulder now. So can you see what I'm doing here now? So that is the armhole side. So this is the side. I'm cutting the remaining surplus that is there. So we also cut it. So I've just opened it. So this is the sleeve. So this is my first time of watching this was making this sleeve. So just watch it, please. So this is it.
So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. You can see how our trumpet sleeve came out very well. You can also call it bell sleeve. So guys, you can watch this video again and again so that you can learn how to cut it on your own. So don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. So I'll see you guys on my next video.